When was the last time you cleaned your window coverings? Blinds, shades, shutters, and drapery are the finishing touch to your home, adding beauty, privacy, and light control. But like anything in your home, they need care and cleaning to look their best. In this video, we share cleaning tips for all of our window coverings. While window treatments are low maintenance, regular care keeps them in good condition. One of the most asked about cleaning tips is for dust buildup. Regular dusting with a lamb's wool or feather duster is critical. For a deeper clean, periodic vacuuming with the brush attachment works wonders. We know accidents happen and have solutions for those inevitable spills and messes. We're here to walk you through our cleaning recommendations based on your window treatment type. For horizontal, metal, wood, and faux wood blinds, simply use your wood dusting spray and wipe them dry. Here's a tip. Rub the top with a dryer sheet to reduce dust buildup and extend the time needed between cleanings. Did you know you can remove dust in honeycomb shades, horizontal sheer shades, and sheer vertical blinds with a hairdryer on a cool or warm setting? It's that easy! For stains, clean with a damp cloth and mild detergent if needed. And remember to spot test on a hidden area first. Dry cleaning is the safest option for curtains and drapes, with their intricate details and varied fabrics. This ensures they retain their shape, size, and vibrant colors, keeping them as beautiful as the day you first installed them. By following these simple tips and tricks, you'll keep your window treatments looking their absolute best. Remember, 3-Day Blinds is always here to help.